Now we will be discussing about a new adjustment, income pre-received or income received in advance. The journal entry is income account debit to pre-received income. Actually it comes from the first entry, cash account debit to income, and that income you have received more, so it will be income to be reduced, so income debit to pre-received income. Let's understand with an example. So the example goes like this. Rent received 1400. So the journal entry is rent received in advance. That is, rent totally received 1400 and 200 is advance over here. So my journal entry is cash account debit to rent 1400 and 200 advance that I am showing rent to pre-received rent 200. Students, if the journal entry is only asked about pre-received rent, suppose it is asked that rent pre-received 200, then the second journal entry only you will pass, that is rent account debit to pre-received rent. Cash to rent, then rent to pre-received rent. When you are doing, you are reducing your rent by 200, so rent automatically is coming by 200 less, so it is 1200. Let's understand by ledger posting. Say in the ledger posting, if I open a rent account, I have to write by cash 1400 and to pre-received rent, because this ledger posting rent to pre-received rent 200 is shown over here as to pre-received rent 200. In the PL account 1200 will go. See how the PL account is shown. By rent 1400 is an income, that's why credit side, and it is written over there less pre-received 200. So outer column 1200, which is just coming from here, rent. In rent account to PL account we have written to 1200, and in the PL account we have written by rent 1200. I have shown the working also over there. You may not, but it is better practice to show the working, because in the final account they will not ask you to prepare this ledger and journals. Next is pre-received rent account. When I am opening the pre-received rent account, it is by rent, because my journal entry is rent to pre-received rent. So in pre-received rent, by rent 200, to balance carried down and by balance brought down. This is a credit balance because credit total is more. Credit balance is always a liability, so it is coming under balance sheet liability side as under current liability as pre-received rent 200. Hope you all have understand. Now we will be discussing about if pre-received rent is only given in the trial balance. If pre-received rent is only given in the trial balance, so you see in trial balance credit side it will be written pre-received rent and no other entry is there. In the balance sheet you will be writing under current liabilities as pre-received rent. Thank you, students.